Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard. This is Exeter, New Hampshire. So last night there was really big storm, snowstorm, and actually I'm trying to show you the aftermath of heavy snow last night. So at least right now the temperature has really gone up, 30 degrees Fahrenheit, but the roads are slick, so this is what it is. And you can see on the side a lot of snow. Well, at least it has been able to be cleared on the major highway. So this is what it is, and is that season on 27th of December 2025. So the snow has been so heavy, but we are thankful for everything. At least we are alive, we are safe. That is the most important thing. So this is Exeter City in New Hampshire. So this is East Coast, and winter time. Snow here has been very heavy all the way to Massachusetts and Connecticut, New York, and the rest of the New England. So we have to enjoy. So most of the lakes over here, you can see like small water ponds and small rivers. At least they are covered with snow. Well, it means it really has come down so much that it has been able to cover a lot of small creeks and small rivers, and yeah, I've been able to cover them. So at least we can enjoy a little bit of sunshine, so which is a plus. That's all that we need for now. We really need it. So that is it for now, and please be safe out there and drive safely, and always keep safe. Until the next one, see ya.